House full of chicks.
That's right, that's right.
House full of chicks.
That's right, that's right.
House full of chicks. Yeah. House full of chicks.
That's right, that's right.
House full of chicks.
That's right, that's right.
House full of chicks. What's up, J Crew? And welcome back to another video. Y'all, so thank y'all for all the love and support that we've been getting throughout the past week. You know, it was a crazy week for us, y'all already know. A lot of people wanted a updated video on the hurricane situation, and you know, are we safe? Glad that we're safe, and we just want to say thank y'all.
Thank you from the bottom of our hearts, because y'all was making sure it was okay, praying for us. And you guys, the hurricane missed us. We only got some outer bands, some rain and stuff like that. But
and I saw some comments actually that we had some family members, some J Crew families that actually live in Florida as well. So hopefully y'all didn't get affected, because I know it kind of really went like more North Florida and then into the Georgia, the Carolinas, you know, and of course Bahamas, which we'll touch on in a few minutes.
Yeah, y'all. So we thank you guys for all of your love and support. As usual, we love you guys, and we are so happy that you guys are a part of the J Crew.
Yeah.
As far as the Bahamas goes, the Bahamas got devastated. For some of you guys who know, for some of you guys who don't know, Jamal's heritage is Bahamian on both sides of his family, his mom and his dad. So, you know, he does have some family in Bahamas, but they're, the lower islands. He doesn't know them, but, you know, he contacts them through Facebook and stuff like that. And they are, they are
passed away a few years back, you know. He used to make sure everybody, you know, gets together for family reunions and have the Bahama flag shirts and just stuff like that.
The dancers.
You know. Yeah. The dancers, and of course, me and MILLZ for our anniversary, we went maybe twice? Twice to the Bahamas. We took a cruise. It was a beautiful place, beautiful island. Waters.
Freeport.
I think it was Grand Bahama, Freeport, and a few other places. But yeah, it was beautiful. The places were nice. We had, you know, a great time, you know. And,
beautiful people. And there's just nothing but devastation over there. A lot of
man, I'm telling y'all, there's a lot of, you know, I saw some things on social media that was like, man, y'all.
Really sad.
And most of the what you call Grand Bahama and Abaco and Marsh Harbor area, man, they like leveled, y'all, leveled.
It's crazy.
If I could find some news clips, I would definitely put them in somewhere right here so y'all can see. But yeah, y'all, so we just want to definitely come on and just tell y'all, there's a lot of you know, groups, and there's a lot of charities and stuff like that that are accepting donations.
Yes.
You know? So
whether it's money or just disposables, like, you know, feminine products, diapers, wipes, food that can last for a long time.
Non-perishable,
Yes. So also, we want to know if you guys would like us to start a GoFundMe. Let us know. We will, and then we can all choose where we want the money to go. So let us know if you guys want us to do that. If not, we can also give you a few names of some charities and stuff like that.
I'll put some up on the screen. And your old co-worker, right?
Yeah, my old co-worker, she was actually from the Bahamas and stuff like that, and she's been updating me.
She has some family, right?
Yeah, her mom, her sisters are out there, so she's also collecting up some items to send to even friends, anybody who needs stuff. That's who it's going to. And you know, I've seen a lot of things that they don't have on the media just through her and her family and stuff like that. So
looting.
Yeah, there's looting.
You know,
there's a lot of stuff. There's places where they can't even get people, and they're stuck in attics. There's a lot of, like we said, dead people and dead bodies floating around. So
we would love to actually go over there to volunteer.
Yeah, we want to go and because I can't personally lift anything, but they
just
want
volunteer.
people.
You can hand out. You can you know, just, you know, show love, support.
Yeah, like I want to be either in a children's shelter or, you know, in the hospital, handing food out or something, and they needed, you know, men to actually lift the debris, you know, out of some places. So if we get the opportunity, we are like running over there. So I would
love to go. You know, love to help.
All right, y'all. On to the next reason why we are here. Okay, so about a month and a half ago, I took out my IUD. It was making me like crazy. It caused. This is the heaviest I've ever been in my life. I would get
been trying to get this hot girl summer thing going, even though summer's almost over. But you know,
it's hard to lose weight because my body just it does something in your hormones. You gain a lot of weight, you retain a lot of water weight, and also like I was getting a lot of bad cramping, like worse than, you know, when I had the menstrual. I don't have it anymore. I haven't had it when I was on it. So you know, I think that possibly I just been feeling weird. Like yesterday was the final straw. I threw up when I woke up, and I threw up in the morning.
And I was like, "What? We didn't even eat nothing crazy. We always eat the same chicken breast type thing. So it's not like nothing new, nothing different that we didn't ever try before."
Yeah,
you know?
Just been feeling different. I don't know if it's because I could be pregnant or because my body is going back into what it used to be, but better be safe than sorry, right? We're not crazy, out here trying to get pregnant or nothing.
No.
Not right now.
No.
I mean,
Jamal's trying his best, y'all, but you know, there's slip-ups happen, things happen, y'all. But yeah, y'all, I would definitely love another daughter, even though, like, we like kids, you know, in the baby stages. When they get a little older, they start talking back, they start, you know, just want to go hide in the closet somewhere. But I would definitely, and of course, Jalea always asks us, she wants a sister, and I'm like, it's not that easy. It doesn't work like that. You know what I mean? There's a lot of YouTuber families that have 8, 9, 10 kids. You know, not that we want to have that many kids, but whatever God gives us, you know. So we decided to take. Well, not I, but
yeah, I just want to be better safe than sorry. So you guys are going to see us take this pregnancy test.
Pray for me.
You guys are gonna see the result, whether it's positive or negative, and you guys are gonna see our reaction. So,
and it actually has 2 tests. So I'm thinking that you could take one today, you know, since it's morning time, and then maybe take one in the next few days, because you will still be kind of early, right?
Yeah.
So I mean, sometimes they say that you could take one test, because I think this actually happened to us with Jalen. I think she took one test and said negative, and then a few weeks later she was feeling even worse, and we took another test, and damn. Of course, we were young, young parents. So we was like, what are we gonna do?
So today, for you guys, I'm gonna take one test, but I'm gonna save the other one
we'll just keep
for next week. So ready?
Ready.
This is the real deal, you guys. This is a clear blue.
Ready as we're going to be.
Okay, it's a digital.
And y'all already know, it's got to be a J name. If, you know, it's got to be a J name.
Of course, we the house full of J's.
Little Jayana, I don't know. I don't know what kind of names. Let me know down below. Let me know some girl names. Pray for us, you know.
All right, you guys. I'm going to open this in front of you guys, and you guys are going to
go in the back.
come with me in the bathroom, but not all the way in there.
I'm going to be outside the door, hoping and praying.
I
mean, I don't know.
Hoping and praying for what?
To me, I don't really care. You know, if we have another baby, we have another baby. We have enough room there, you know what I mean? I would definitely love to get a house. But... oh, God. Here we go. All right, let's go.
All right, y'all. Let's do it. Wait, hold on. Wait, I just want to show them that this is real, okay?
They know it's real.
Do you see this?
Guys,
this is real, okay?
They know it's real. Let's go.
Okay, guys. Let's do this.
I'm just going to set it up here so they can't see you, but they can still hear you. It's about to go down. Come on. I want to know the results. Come on.
Alright, so right now it's blank, it's empty. Okay, let's do this. I hope I can pee.
I hope you can pee. It's the morning. Y'all can't see this part, y'all.
I'm just saying, y'all.
It wasn't me. How long did it say to let it sit?
It's starting to blink.
It's starting to blink already?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's loading. Wow. I can't believe we're doing this. I really thought the boys were 5, we were in the clear. You know what I mean?
Yep.
We were in the clear. Because it's so crazy, because I remember like after Jalen, it was like not like a cycle, but like every 2 years she got pregnant. And now we made it to 5 years.
It's crazy. It's a record.
5 years? That's a record for us, y'all.
It's a record.
It's still loading, y'all. That's a record for us. How long this thing take?
I don't know. Okay, it's 3 bars. Once it's
Oh
4
my God.
bars, it gives a reading.
My heart, y'all.
3 bars, yo.
Oh, shoot. You know what? Let's flip it over and let's go back to the bed. All right, let's go. Go on. We're going to walk back over to the bed. All right, we're walking, y'all. Ain't no kids here. Thank God it's quiet. All right, so we're going to put the test here. We're going to put the test here. We're going to set everything back up. And you know what? I think we should let them see it first. Mm-hmm. Right?
Yep.
So that's what I think that we're going to do. We're going to just let y'all see it first. I'm trying to just set the camera up. I can see the behind the scenes. All right, I think that's good. Where's the box? I just want to read it just to see how long it say. Okay, so it says you can use the test up to 4 days before. So I guess if you are early, you know, or not. So it says it's rapid. It should take 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
I don't know if y'all can see that. I'll try to zoom in. 3 minutes. So it should definitely be past 3 minutes.
I'm stressed out. I was really trying to get summertime fine, like for this up and coming summer.
Summertime's over, man.
I know, I gotta be ready for the next summer.
So if you are 9 months from now, what would that be?
It is September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June.
So like
June.
a summer baby.
We already had a May baby.
Yeah, but that's
Being
like
pregnant
spring.
in May.
That's like spring.
No, with the twins, I was pregnant through the summer, and that was horrible.
All right, y'all. So without further ado, we're gonna let you guys see it before us. 'Cause I don't really want to see it.
I'm nervous.
Who's gonna flip it over? You?
Me.
Okay, hold on. We gotta have a countdown. We gotta have a countdown.
And 3.
Hold on, y'all. 3. Say it together. Come on.
3, 2.
Close your eyes. 1.
What does it say, you guys?
Yo, what does it say? Let me know. Comment down below.
What
Even
does
though
it
I'm already seeing it, but comment down below. Alright, you ready?
Alright, ready?
Count. 1, 2, 3.
1. Hold on, let me get ready for this, cause
Get ready for this.
I don't know.
You gotta be ready or not. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
3. Wow.
Oh my God! Yes.
Not pregnant. Missy, you gotta get back up here.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
So not
what a
pregnant,
friggin'
yo.
relief.
Wow. But
Okay.
remember, you can still be early, so I mean, but we just gotta be careful. We really gotta be careful now that we don't really have the birth control.
Yeah, you guys.
That she used to have, you know. So that's gonna be just, and we still young. Remember, we still young. I'll be 30.
29
You
in
know,
October.
so I mean, people can get pregnant up to 40. You know, even though I don't want a baby like that later life, like later, like 10, 20 years apart. Who wants to do that? You know what I mean? So we gotta definitely watch out. But we're gonna keep y'all updated. She's gonna take that next one, maybe in a few days. So
I wonder why I threw up.
I don't know.
I really hope that stays like that.
And another vlog.
I had it in for 3 years, guys. 3 years.
Oh, it's been 3 years?
Yeah. I had it in for 3 years. It's a 5-year one, but
it's been lovely, fellas. But
so yeah, you guys. I mean, I'm happy to see that. Let's hope it stays like that.
I'm happy, but I would love to have a little girl. All right, y'all. So thank y'all for watching. This was an unexpected video, you know. But hey, you know, this is our real life. It's our real life. We wanted to show y'all, and we didn't even tell I didn't tell my mother. I don't think you told your mom. We didn't tell our friends and family yet, you know. So we didn't tell the kids because, especially Jalea, she really wants a sister, you know. But and you already know my sister have another baby. It's another boy, you know. But yeah, y'all. Thank y'all for watching, y'all. Thank y'all for rocking with us, being supportive again of all the hurricane stuff and the news of if she is or if she's not pregnant. Like I said, we'll keep y'all updated. And you smiling pretty heavy there.
I'm happy because I'm just trying to get healthy.
Yeah, so thank y'all for watching again. Make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below to the channel if you are new. Make sure you click that notification bell so you'll be notified every time that we upload a new video. And y'all, thank y'all for watching.
On
House full of Chase. House full of Chase. Hey. House full of Chase.
That's right, that's right.
House full of Chase.
That's right, that's right.
House full of Chase.